In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to simplify a radical. So this is a radical. Now I could give an exact, So this is the radical symbol. This is the radicand, the 8 is the radicand, and here is the index. It's worth noting that if there is nothing no index indicated, it is assumed to be 2. So this is 2, so this is 8 squared, that is 12 squared. Now to simplify it, we want to break it down step by step. So here, 2 times 4 equals 8, so it is 2 times 4 squared, then, no, not squared, square rooted. Next, we break it down even more. So 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So that is square root 2 times 2 times 2 square rooted. Now, what we want to do when it's a square root, when you have the number 2, your index is 2, you want to look for pairs of 2. So here you can see we have 2 2s, one pair. So we have 2 times 2 square rooted times 2 square rooted. So these two now cancel each other out. So now the 2 times 2 just makes 2 because they're the same number and they're 2 of the same number. So then that goes there, 2, and then 2 square rooted, and that is our answer. A simplified version of 8 squared is 2 times 2 square rooted. Here we have 12, so we're just going to repeat the exact same process. Make our radical symbol. So now we have 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. We're going to break it down even more, however. 2 times 2 times 3. So we broke down this 6 into 2 times 3. Now we cannot break it down even more. We can do 2 times 1, 2 times 1, but that'll go on forever. So we are done here. Next, we look for pairs of 2. So we have 2 2s and only 1 3, so we only have one pair. So that makes 2 times 2 and 3. So we break that down. These two cancel out. They are now just 2 and then 3. And that is our final answer. I'm sorry, that is really messy. But what if it's not square root? It's actually cube root, sorry. Well, here we have 16 cubed, not cubed, cube rooted. So what we do, it's the exact same process. So we're just going to break it down. And 3 there. Make sure you're always putting the 3 there. So we're going to break it down to 2, 8. We are going to break it down even more. 2 times, so 8 breaking down into its smallest form, which would be 2. It's 2 times 2 times 2, because 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3 makes 8. And we're going to look for, since we looked for pairs of 2 here, we want to look for pairs of 3 here. So we have 3 2s here. So we don't forget the 3. 2 times 2 times 2, and then 2. And these 3 will cancel each other out. And that is just 2 times 2 square root, cube rooted. And that is our final answer. Sorry for my mess in writing. Oh jeez, that is brutal. Hopefully it's not very coherent. That is a very, very bad, messy writing.